What's up, guys? Today I have a special one for you. This is part one of a multi-part series where I take a personal brand and transform and set up the entire email marketing sequence from absolutely ground zero to a fully built out system. And every step of the way, I'll be showing you the exact process that we use internally, as well as the process that I use for my own brand. I'm Nikita from aspectagency.com. Let's jump right into the video. So about a week ago, my girlfriend and I launched a custom rug making business. That's right, a custom rug making business. And we took all day to set up the website, but we didn't do anything on the email backend because I knew that you guys will get a lot of value from me setting it up myself. So I figured, why not record a whole entire series about setting up emails from an actual store that's just beginning to actually having a fully built out system. So this first video is going to be about pop-ups and actually capturing emails first off. Then we're going to go over segmentation, templates, welcome flow, abandoned cart flow, etc. All the works basically from beginning to end about the whole entire email marketing ecosystem. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly what is going on. So here we are in my computer. And this is the website. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It has only one product for you to order. So we have a basic pop-up set up right now. This is just something to throw out there. But today we're going to be going in a little bit deeper and showing you from the ground up how to set up a pop-up. Let's go ahead and just clone the initial one first. This could just be 10% off discount. Clone form. So when you clone a form, or when you have an existing form, you already have all of this existing here, but we're gonna go from scratch. And let's just go ahead and create a sign up form. I took a template from the past. I believe this was the multi-step pop-up. And we can actually just run with this email only video pop-up. They're all going to be subscribed to the newsletter, SMS subscribers. Create form. When you have a template like this, it's so much easier to build a pop-up right from the start, and it takes a lot less time to work on it. So first off, we're not going to be getting any SMS opt-ins, mainly because we'd have to set up the back-end SMS system for now. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that step. And I know that this step has a teaser. I don't like using those teasers. We can just delete that for now. So we're only focusing on the email opt-in as well as the success. So for the email opt-in, we're gonna go and first change the image. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it and upload from, let me see. So we already have a rug photo, so we're gonna just use that as the main thing. So first off, let's work on the title. So limited 10% off. I like using surprise language in the pop-up. So I like to keep things vague. So claim your surprise offer. As far as the font goes, I'll change this up later, but you can choose whatever font you like, or you can add a specific font. You can even import your own font here and add variants, have Adobe fonts, or have Google fonts. And Google has a ton of fonts that you can use. I'm gonna keep it to this for now, mainly because just to make the video as quick as possible. So claim your surprise offer, get a surprise offer when you submit your email. Trust us, it's worth it. So this is mainly just to keep people enticed to submit. Done. Styles. The continue button is, what we can do is, let me go ahead and pull up all of our brand colors here real quick, so that way I can make sure that it's on brand. So here we are, we have the brand colors pulled up, and we can go ahead and input the color codes AA3377. And I know that the background styling is going to be this beige color. Overlay color, we can just make it a little bit darker. Drop shadow, and then let me get the background color. There we go. That is going to be E2D4AF. There we go. Let's just make this color black and remove some of the padding here. Usually we like to keep padding, but it seems like it's already automatically padded back to back here. And let's take a look at how it looks on mobile. One thing I would also change is the height of this, just so that way it looks a lot cleaner. Minimum height. I'm going to go ahead and reduce the height down to, I think 350 is good. Yeah, that's perfectly sized. Text color. Yeah, we're going to stick to white. Okay, great. So we have the initial pop-up design set up. Let's go to targeting and behavior, so that way we can determine when the pop-up should work. So we'll do it show based off rules. A general rule of thumb is to show it after 5 seconds of page load or after 30 seconds of the page. we do either or. If you want both, like after 5 seconds and after they've scrolled 30% of the page, you click this. But we usually do either or, either 5 seconds or 30% down the page. And also we want to make sure that it's not seen again for another 5 to 7 days after closing, because you don't want to keep pestering people with pop-ups. Click outside to close the form on both desktop and mobile. We want this pop-up to show both on desktop and mobile. Depending on which pop-ups you set up, you would want to make sure to have either one for desktop only and one for mobile only, so you want to specify that. And you also want to check on how it looks on mobile. So it looks pretty good on mobile to me, and looks pretty good on desktop as well. Show by visitor, don't show to existing Klaviyo profiles, that's correct. Only show on certain URLs. I would rather do don't show on certain URLs. So anything on cart, anything on checkout, order, and contact page. And we don't care about the people visiting on the website, so we can just stick to that, go back. And now let's work on the actual end of the pop-up, which is the success. So here, I don't like this image, so we can just go ahead and delete that. We can replace this with this image, and then what we can do, add the text, alt text, and now I forgot to add an alt text to this. Go back to success. Instead of thanks for signing up, welcome to the, use the code welcome 10. So we do that, and then I would also add in a shop now button. Action, go to URL, and then what we would do is take them to the product page. Background color would be AA3377. And then let's make sure that this style matches this. So this is Poppins, 18 font, bold. There we go. And I believe this also had rounded edges. So corner radius 6. I'll actually increase that to 10. I want it to be a little bit more rounder. There we go. And that looks good to me. Now, also change this to black and change this to black. There we go. Everything looks good. We can go ahead and set it live and publish it. And then we'll go ahead and test it out on the actual website. One thing we have to do first is go back to Klaviyo, go back to sign up forms, and turn this one off. Edit form, and turn this into a draft. Publish. Now let's go to incognito. Let's scroll through the page. Okay, it seems like it hasn't fully updated yet, but this has fully updated. I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh this. Claim your surprise offer. Okay, so let's do my email. Nice, it all works. Shop custom rugs. And then it goes straight to the page. And then when we go to Klaviyo, audience, newsletter list, it already has me in here. Submitted to newsletter. There we go. Perfect. And that's exactly how you set up a pop-up for your Shopify store via Klaviyo. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments description below. Thanks again for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that way you're caught up on all the latest email and SMS marketing training. If you liked the video, hit the like button and leave a comment on what your favorite part of the video was. If you want to learn more about email and SMS marketing, I run a newsletter where I publish our internal strategies and the latest email and SMS tactics. You can get them straight into your inbox every week by subscribing and signing up with the link down in the description. And if you want to stay up to date with anything email and SMS, just follow me on Twitter. The link is down below in the description as well. With that said, I'm Nikita, and I'll see you in the next video.